Welcome everyone to a new video. Today we will continue with the verb to be, but in this case we will talk about interrogative form. And as you can see, we have a different order from the affirmative form. If we want to say yo soy inteligente, we will use I am intelligent. But in the interrogative or question form, we need to mix the order to ask the question. So here, to say soy inteligente as a question, we will use am I intelligent, in the same way that we use with the affirmative form, but now with the interrogative form. Then you sad, ¿estás triste? Are you sad? Are you sad? ¿Estás triste? Then with he, she, it, ¿estás feliz? ¿Esto está feliz? O él, ella está feliz. Is she or he or it happy? Then ¿somos amigos? Are we friends? ¿Somos amigos? Are we friends? Then with you, but in the third person, are you teachers? Se está refiriendo a dos o más personas en la tercera persona del plural. Entonces, ¿son ustedes profesores? Are you teachers? And the last one says, ellos son españoles. Are they Spanish? Are they Spanish? And that will be all for now. In the next video we will see the last one, which is the negative form, and then we are already done with the verb to be and ready to go on. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video. I will leave in the description below some exercises for you to practice. Bye bye.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work